Hey all, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jeremy Paul Bentulin. I'm a videographer, photographer based out of Houston, Texas. And today we've got a special product we are throwing on our 2019 Ford Ranger from a longtime channel supporter, LasFit. Their new LED bulb series, LAAir. Y'all know what to do. Stay tuned. Thank you, LasFit, for sending us your new line of LAAir LED bulbs. We are going to be upgrading the front turn signals for the Ranger, as well as the halogen bulbs that come on our low beam lights. So we're going to be testing that out. We're going to be showing y'all how bright it is, what they've upgraded, and give y'all a comparison of what to expect. You know, quick and easy install, should be a plug and play, and we're going to show you guys what's in the box as well, what all comes with the package. Let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Super simple. They provide safety gloves because, you know, handling halogen bulbs with the heat can be a little bit dangerous. So just make sure you use gloves when handling very sensitive material, and, you know, halogen bulbs can get hot as well. So yeah, got a pair of gloves to keep your hands safe. Got a product manual. Depending on what version you have, they will provide installation instructions. Follow these. They also have a little FAQ section and contact information in case you need further support from their company. Their support team is based in Ontario, California. They have been a great help every time I've needed questions answered or anything of the sort. The input power for these LEDs run at 30 watts per bulb. The color temperature is a bright white, so we're sitting at 6,000 Kelvin. It is waterproof. Here are the bulbs. Nice little foam inserts. Fits perfectly. Good branding. Here is one of the bulbs. As you can see, the aluminum casing around it makes this material very, very high quality. It looks even stylish. Like, honestly, for something that you're really not going to be seeing, they've really put a lot of work into the housing. There is a cooling element back here with the fan. LasFit also claims that these bulbs will run for over 30,000 hours. Y'all can just tell that this thing is quality. There's the LED chip. There's the fan. Just a plug and play from your stock halogens. Again, really high quality, and it comes with two, obviously. So that is what comes in the LED for the front headlights. And then we have got our front turn signals. So there is the bulb for the turn signals, and it should just be a plug and play as well. A better look, you can see all the LED chips inside. There's the circuitry board. They claim to have no blinding in the opposite direction. Again, we are in a truck, we're leveled, we're raised up a few inches on the front. I have already corrected the issue, and now my halogens are no longer blinding people on the road, especially smaller vehicles that are coming in the opposite directions. There's a banding pattern apparently that also helps with this in this new technology. And so we're gonna test all those features in our driving impressions section. LasFit also offers a 45-day money-back guarantee. Test them out. If it doesn't work for you or if you have issues, contact LasFit support, and I'm sure they'll handle everything for you as long as you're within that 45-day window. If you keep these LEDs past 45 days, LasFit does offer a 1-year warranty with no hassle with exchanges, and they provide labels and all that good stuff. Just contact them and their support team will help you out with all your needs. So LasFit has been developing LED chips for a variety of make and models, and this new line definitely looks very easy to install. It's plug and play. It has a similar housing as the halogen bulb in my truck. We are now going to get this installed. Here we go.
Right off the bat, as you can see, these lights are bright. But as we approach my wife's car, in my truck, which is lifted and has 33-inch tires, the beam angle without any modifications to the vertical height of the LED bulbs sits perfectly underneath the rear windshield. As you can see as well, it's not spilling onto the cars to the left or right of her. This is truly a plug-and-play system. I'm happy to report there were no significant glares or distractions from the LEDs behind her, from her rearview mirrors. As the night progresses, you can really tell from the emptiness of the highway that these lights will light up the path. Guys, there's really not much else to say besides that this is a major upgrade. The front turn signals as well as the front headlamps, definitely worth upgrading from the halogen bulbs that come stock on the Ranger. I mean, the footage speaks for itself. As we turn from the city lights into this dark street, you can see that we have no problem seeing directly in front of us. Especially when we're in this parking garage, we are good to go with lighting. So guys, check it out, LasFit LAAir series, really worth it, super easy to install, and we're gonna go ahead and transition over to a couple of night shots from outside the truck.
All right, y'all, thank y'all so much for sticking around to the end of the video. That was the installation and review of LasFit's LED upgrade for my stock halogen bulbs for the front headlights as well as turn signals. Guys, check them out. I'm going to leave links in the description below, and I'll be even posting a little coupon code here for you. Using those links definitely helps me and helps the channel out. So again, appreciate you. Thank you again, LasFit, for sending that stuff over. It's definitely an easy, efficient, and very cost-effective upgrade for you truck owners. Guys, check them out. They make bulbs for a variety of make and models. I've been using their products for years and have been super satisfied. Their support team is spot on, and they have developed a great set of bulbs for every part of your vehicle. So guys, check them out. I'm leaving those links in the description below. Again, thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.